Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix aim assist on controller on PC if it's not working for you. So first of all, we need to know how aim assist works. So basically how aim assist works is, let's say this is a guy right in front of me I want to shoot. This is how I'm moving right now, okay? I can move freely. Now once I just go over the enemy, watch what happens, okay? As you can see, there's a little bit of a stop over the enemy, and if I stop over it and I start moving like a 360, it's such in as it's pulling my aim towards him. Okay. Now once I'm away from him and I start doing, look how much I can move. So for some people this doesn't work. Okay. So we're going to do some basic fixes first, and then we're going to do some advanced fixes. First of all, we're going to hold on settings, and then we're going to go on the controller options, and we're going to scroll down all the way to something called advanced options. You need to activate this, okay, because you're not going to go on to the normal settings. You need to activate this so you can go on to the much more advanced settings, which are going to help us now, okay? So once you activate this, okay, you're going to go all the way down to something called, look input curve, okay? I have this on exponential for myself, but you need to make sure that this aim assist strength, make sure you just put it back all the way to 0, okay? Reset, and now you're going to realize that there is no aim assist, and then bring it all the way back again, okay? Okay, these are some simple fixes. This is going to reset all the aim assist settings, and once you do that, it's most probably going to work, okay? Now let's say if this doesn't work. Now you could do something other than another fix, which is basically resetting all of your controller settings, but that would be a hassle for some people. So it's suggesting that you change the dead zone a little bit. Okay, just a little bit, not by much, but just changing a little bit could actually fix the problem that you have. But once that doesn't work, now here are some of the things that you need to do. So I've noticed sometime while I was playing is this new options that have been added, okay, which is the reticle damage feedback, damage numbers, and reticle ammo indicator. Now once I have these on and damage numbers on list, the difference between list and cumulative is basically cumulative adds numbers of damage. So let's say 1 is 25, and now I'm going to add the 25, 75, 100, 25 like this. But list is going to list all the numbers alone, like this. I'm going to show you 25, 25, 25, like this. Okay. So I realized once you have this on list, okay, and once you have the damage numbers on list, and the reticle damage feedback is on hit and icons, it probably sometimes doesn't work. For me, it used to not work, but I actually fixed it with this. Okay, so try actually switching it off from damage numbers from list to cumulative, and reticle damage feedback to off. Once you do that, okay, you could try it out again and see if it actually works. And it's most probably going to work because this is the most common issue I had. Okay, one other thing is that you could try and switch for legacy from exponential to legacy, then back and try it out, and then back to exponential. But most of the problem, this problem that I'm saying that it's fixed, which is basically opening and changing it from cumulative to linear, the problem was with me with linear, but exponential, it didn't have such a big a problem, okay? But yeah, once you do all of these fixes, it's most probably going to work. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if that actually helped you, and yeah, see you later.